your boy Yamaha MT, and today's video I'm going to explain how to fit the Crazy Iron stunt cage, because a few people have asked me. It's going to be a short video, so just so you know. But yeah, with this Crazy Iron stunt cage, there's pretty much like 3 points where it connects. Just behind there's the engine bolt. You take the old engine bolt out, you get supplied with a new one. And that goes in. Put one side on first and then work your way around to the other side. So you get the engine bolt in there, and then down here there is a rod that connects to the other side. I know it needs a bit of a clean. You also get some nice bumps to stop it off and make it look nice. So that rod goes through to the other side and clips on. And then there's also another rod that goes straight through the centre of the frame, whatever you call that. Goes straight through to the other side, and they all just bolt on together. It's pretty simple install. I've got no knowledge, no mechanics in bikes, so I find it pretty easy. The instructions were in Russian, but if you just use a bit of common sense, I'm pretty sure you can fit this stunt cage. As for the pillion pegs, pretty much remove the old, slip on the new, 4 bolts done. That's how the pillion looks. Oh. But yeah, the stunt cage is absolutely solid. You go down, the cage is going to still be there, it's not going to move. The bike feels a lot more solid with it on. You feel like a tank on this bike with this frame on. The frame is quite heavy, it does add a bit to it, but from what you can see, it's aesthetically pleasing, and I do love the stunt cage. So thank you guys for watching this little video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, peace.